Evaluate 9 and 5 tenths minus 6 and 3 tenths. Whenever you subtract a mixed number minus a mixed number, I personally like to turn them both into improper fractions. How do you do that? Well, take your whole number and your denominator, multiply them together. 9 times 10 is 90. Now you take that 90 and add it to the numerator. 90 plus 5 is 95. That becomes your new numerator. Your denominator of 10 stays the same. Do the same thing over here. 6 times 10 is 60. 60 plus 3 is 63. Keep the denominator of 10 the same. Now, when subtracting fractions of the same denominator, subtract the numerators like you normally would. 95 minus 63 is 32. Keep the denominator of 10 exactly the same, so 32 over 10. Now this is an improper fraction. I want to turn this into a mixed number. So let's go off to the side and see how many times 10 goes into 32. 10 goes into 32 3 whole times. 3 times 10 is 30, and we subtract. 32 minus 30 is 2. With no more numbers to drop down, we have a remainder of 2. So how do I turn that into a mixed number? Well, that 3 is my whole number that goes in front of the fraction. My remainder of 2 is my numerator, and my old denominator of 10 stays as a denominator of 10. Now, if you look at this, you might notice, well, wait a minute. 2 over 10, I can simplify that further. Yes, you can. Those are both even numbers. So we can divide the 2 and the 10 by 2. So when all is said and done, we still have that 3 living out front. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 3 and 1/5. And that's your answer.